Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Raihan Pratama. Today I will present my explanation text. Do you know what is explanation text? Explanation text is a text that explains about a process or sequence of phenomena. Okay, today my explanation text is acid rain. Do you know what is acid rain? Acid rain is a rain or any other form of rain or snow that is unusually acidic, meaning that it contains rain with low potential of hydrogen. It can harmful effect on plants, aquatic animal, and infrastructure. I will explain how acid rain occurs. Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants, known as acid rain. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.